Making musical instruments with your child can be fun, and afterwards they have something to play with, and it also teaches them mathematical concepts. Here we have recycled materials to make a rain stick. We have the paper towel tube. To make a kazoo, we have the tissue tube. And to make a guitar, we have a tissue box with markers and rubber band. Today, we'll be making a rain tube. If you don't like balloons, you can use heavy plastic. We're going to go ahead and start with making the rain tube. We're going to cut the balloon, place it over the end of the tube here. So let's see. We will secure that with a rubber band. We are going to take some aluminum foil to put in the inside. Make sure it is the length of the tube. You are going to crinkle it like so. Place it inside of the tube along with some rice. You don't have to use a lot. Going to take another balloon, place it over the opposite end of your tube. Okay, secure that with another rubber band. Now we have our rain stick and it's time to make some music.